In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use recurring templates for bills and invoices in QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to save time and make sure you never miss sending an invoice or recording a bill again. Let's start with recurring invoices. First, go to the New button in QuickBooks Online and choose Invoice. This opens a regular invoice, just like you'd create for any customer. Take a moment to fill out all the invoice details. Choose the correct customer, add the products or services, quantities, rates, and verify the tax terms and due date. The more accurate you are here, the less you'll need to adjust later. Once your invoice looks the way you want it to repeat, look for the Manage option, which appears as a small gear icon on the invoice screen, and select Scheduling. Here you'll see an option called Make Invoice Recurring. Turn this on. Now you're setting up the template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, for example, Monthly Consulting for Client A. Then, choose the type. If you set it to Scheduled, QuickBooks will automatically create the invoices based on the schedule you define, and it can even send them for you. If you prefer a reminder before anything is sent, choose Reminder. If you want a template you can manually use from time to time, choose Unscheduled. Next, set the interval. Decide how often this invoice should repeat, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly, and then choose a start date and, if needed, an end date. You can also configure options like automatically emailing the invoice to your customer and selecting accepted payment methods. When everything looks good, click Save Template. Your recurring invoice is now set up. Now let's look at recurring bills. To start, create a new bill or open an existing bill that you'd like to repeat. Enter all the recurring details, including the vendor, the amount, category, or item details, and any memo information that will stay the same each time. At the bottom of the bill window, click Make Recurring. Just like with invoices, you'll enter a template name that clearly describes this recurring bill. From the Type drop-down, choose Scheduled if you want QuickBooks to automatically create the bill on a schedule, or choose Reminder or Unscheduled depending on how hands-on you want to be. Define the schedule by setting the interval and the start and end dates. You can also enter how many days in advance you want the bill created or how many days in advance you'd like to receive a reminder. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save Template. Your recurring bill is now ready to run automatically.